Welcome to Pencil Art Teen. In this video, I drew Min Yoon-gi, also known as Suga from BTS. Unlike all of my other sketches, this one took me 2 days to complete. Because I had difficulty drawing Suga's eyes, mouth, and face shape. You will see that I had to erase and redo some of his facial features later in the video, so I apologize in advance. Other than that, I hope you enjoy watching this video, showing the whole process on making my Min Yoon-gi sketch, and hopefully showing some improvements regarding my sketching techniques. Here, I am making a very rough outline of his face shape, and where his eyes, nose, and mouth are going to be. Don't worry about the sudden appearance of the mouth. I will be redoing it later and showing the right way of drawing it. So I suggest you watch the whole video first before trying to draw it yourself by following these steps. With the nose, go very lightly and blend with your finger, going darker and darker by carrying the shading around the corners of the nose. Now, use your eraser to get the highlighted points of the nose and make it stand out more. Do this process until you are satisfied with the overall look of the nose. For more tips, watch my video on how to draw a nose by clicking the tab above. Focus on really getting the face shape and bringing in more shadows around it. Really use your fingers for blending it evenly. The picture that I chose as a reference has Suga with very messy, thick hair, so it does not have to be perfect. Just make sure your strokes are light and flows into the same direction the hair does. If you see certain features suddenly appear, just ignore it, because they will be redone later on. I made many mistakes in this sketch. It is only normal, so really do not worry and trust the process. If you want a step-by-step video for drawing eyes alone, click on the tab above and practice there. You can also use cotton buds or Q-tips to blend smaller sections in your sketch. I used it here for the lips because I needed something smaller than my finger to blend the shades in neatly and not make Suga's entire mouth the same shade. For more tips, click on the tab above. Now since Suga's hair is very dark in the picture, I decided to color it in following the outline for his hair and blended the whole thing using some tissue paper to speed up the process. You can use your fingers as well if you prefer. After blending, go over with your pencil again, harder this time, to really show the strands of hair and make it look very realistic. For the ear, I just drew the inside of the ear the way I saw it in the picture, shaded and blended using the Q-tip. Here, I learned that you really just have to trust yourself and draw it the way you see it. Fix or change it after you have your outline. Going back to the hair, I shaded the top of the hair darker and added more strands of hair. Using an eraser, go over the hair, going very randomly to make it look like hair strands just standing out with highlights, and then blend. When drawing the clothes, make sure you are proportioning the length, size, and how far they are from the face. Just like the facial features, just go around shading and blending the clothes until you are satisfied with the way they look. At this point, I was very satisfied with the way he looked, and made some final blending and adjustments. So this is the final outcome of my Min Yoon-gi sketch. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new from it. Please don't forget to share, like, and subscribe to my channel for more related videos. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Until then,